In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payments in HubSpot. We'll walk through the exact flow so you know what to expect on each screen and how to make confident choices along the way. Start by using the search bar at the top of your HubSpot account. Click into that search field and type payments. This is the fastest way to find the right area without digging through menus. When you select the payments result, you'll be taken to the payments page, which is where all payment settings and options live in one place. On this page, look for the option that says Set up Payments and select it. This begins the guided setup. The interface may vary slightly depending on your region, but the overall flow is the same. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a payment method or provider. The providers you see are based on your location and HubSpot's availability in that region. For many users, Stripe may be the only available option. If that's what you see, go ahead and choose it to continue. On this screen, HubSpot will also display the associated processing fees for the provider you select. Take a moment to review these fees carefully so you understand the cost per transaction, potential refund fees, and any minimums or payout timelines that might apply in your country or currency. From here, simply continue through the process by filling out your details. Typically, this includes your business legal name, business address, tax information as required by your region, and bank account details to receive payouts. Make sure the information you enter matches your official records. Consistency helps avoid verification delays. If you have documents like your business registration or a recent bank statement handy, keep them nearby in case the provider requests verification. You may also be asked to agree to terms and conditions before finalizing. Once everything is submitted, the provider may perform a quick review. This can be very fast, but in some cases, it can take longer depending on your region and the details provided. During this time, you might see the setup marked as pending. When the review is complete, you'll receive confirmation that payments are enabled. That's all there is to it. You used the search bar to find payments, selected Set up Payments, chose the available provider for your location, reviewed the fees, and completed the setup by entering your business details. After approval, payments will be set up in HubSpot, and you'll be ready to accept customer payments through supported tools in your account. If you don't see the payments option, it may not be available in your region yet, or you might need additional permissions from your account admin.